Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox GFX. First, you'll need Roblox Studio to export your character. Then, acquire a three-dimensional modeling software like Blender, which is free and powerful. Finally, an image editing program such as Photoshop or GIMP will be crucial for the finishing touches. These three tools form the foundation for creating stunning visuals for your Roblox projects, ensuring a professional and polished look for your avatars and scenes. Now let's get your character ready. Open Roblox Studio, load your avatar, and use a plugin like Load Character Light to spawn it. Export this model as an OBJ file. Next, import this OBJ into Blender. Here, you can manipulate the character's limbs and joints to create a dynamic pose. Consider the action or emotion you want to convey. A strong pose can tell a compelling story, making your GFX truly stand out. With your character posed, it's time to bring your scene to life with lighting and composition. Implement a three-point lighting setup: a key light, a fill light, and a backlight, each serving a distinct purpose. Add environmental elements like trees, buildings, or props to enrich the background. Pay attention to the rule of thirds for balanced composition, ensuring your main subject is visually appealing and draws the viewer's eye effectively. Finally, render your masterpiece. In Blender, adjust your render settings for optimal quality, typically using cycles or Eevee. A high-resolution output like 1920 by 1080 pixels is recommended. Once rendered, open the image in Photoshop or GIMP for post-processing. Here, you can refine colors, add subtle effects, apply text, and sharpen details, transforming your raw render into a polished, professional-grade Roblox GFX ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.